Hello, welcome students. Welcome to e-learning program. Myself Sunil Lekar from HAL English Medium School, Ozar Township, Ozar. Now boys, in the first part of this lesson, we have seen some points. First of all, we have seen Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Then Chapekar brothers, what they have done. Then another point is Abhinav Bharat, which organization founded by Swatantraveer Savarkar. Then revolutionary movement in Bengal, and then India House. Okay, now in this second part of this lesson, we are going to see or discuss the Gadar movement. During this period of the First World War, the revolutionary work against the British government got a momentum. The revolutionary felt that transfer of power can be brought into India with the help of enemies of the British. And in this attempt, help of Indian soldiers can also be taken. To take advantage of this opportunity, revolutionary organizations were set up. Gadar is one such important organization. The Indians living in America and Canada established the Gadar organization. Lala Hardayal, Bhai Parmanand, Dr. Pandurang Sadashiv Khankhoje, etc. These revolutionaries were the important leaders of the organization. The word Gadar means revolt. Gadar was the journal of this organization that acted as its mouthpiece. Through this journal, effects of British rule in India were pointed out. It gave information about the daring deeds of the revolutionaries. In this way, love for the nation and armed rebellion was the message given through the journals. Gadar to the Indians. The leaders of the Gadar organization decided to take advantage of this war-like situation. They drew out a plan of revolt in Punjab against the British. They pursued the Indian soldiers in British army to join their revolt. It was decided that Ras Bihari Bose and Vishnu Ganesh Pingle should lead the revolt. But due to treachery, the British traced out the plan. Pingle fell into hands of the police. He was hanged to death. But Ras Bihari Bose escaped successfully. He went to Japan and continued his revolutionary work. The revolutionary movement was active in the other countries during the period of war. In Berlin, Virendranath Chattopadhyay, Bhupen Datta, and Hardayal prepared anti-British plans in cooperation with the German Foreign Ministry. In 1950, Mahendra Pratap, Barkatullah, then Abdullah Sindhi established provincial government of Free India in Kabul. Now, just we have discussed the Gadar movement is there. What is in it? Okay. Now, especially we have seen the revolutionary activities gain momentum during the First World War is there. Okay. Then many revolutionaries were of view that independence of India can be gained by taking the help of enemies of British. To achieve this, help of Indian soldiers can be taken. Now, Gadar movement, in that movement, especially Lala Hardayal, then Bhai Parmanand and Dr. Pandurang Sadashiv Khankhoje, then Raj Bihari Bose and Vishnu Ganesh Pingle, they are participated. Especially they are the leaders, main leaders. What they have done, especially Lala Hardayal, Parmanand and Pandurang Sadashiv Khankhoje, they established by Indians living in America and Canada. Just they started the journal Gadar. The effect of the rule on India were pointed out through these journal. Information about the daring deeds of the revolutionaries was given through journal. Love for the nation and armed rebellion was the message given through the journal, that is Gadar. Then Rajbari Bose and Vishnu Ganesh Pingle, they planned to overthrow the British government in Punjab, taking advantage of the First World War. So they pursued the Indian soldiers in British army to join their revolt. The plan failed due to treachery. Rajbihari Bose went to Japan and continued his revolutionary activities. Then Virendranath Chattopadhyay, Bhupen Datta and Lala Hardayal, they prepared the anti-British plans in cooperation with German foreign ministry especially. Then Mahendra Pratap Barkatullah and Abdullah Sindhi, they established provincial government of Free India at Kabul in 1915. Okay, now here again another point is there, that is the Kakori conspiracy. What is Kakori conspiracy? Conspiracy, that is the suppressive measures of government could not put an end to the revolutionary movement. After the suspension of civil disobedience movement by Mahatma Gandhi, many youngsters got diverted to revolutionary ways. Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Yogesh Chatterjee, Sachindranath Sanyal, and such other revolutionaries came together. On 9th August 1925, they looted the government treasury that was carried in the train near Kakori railway station in Uttar Pradesh. And this is the Kakori conspiracy. This is known as the Kakori conspiracy. By taking immediate action, the government arrested the revolutionaries and put them into prison. They were put under trial. Asafullah Khan, Ram Prasad Bismil, Roshan Singh, Rajendra Lahiri were hanged, but Chandrasekhar Azad managed to escape at that time. Okay, this is the Kakori conspiracy. Especially in that Kakori conspiracy, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Yogesh Chatterjee, Sachindranath Sanyal, they are the main leaders. On 9th August 1925, they looted the government treasury that was carried in a train near Kakori railway station in Uttar Pradesh. So we can say the Kakori conspiracy, or known as the Kakori conspiracy. Asafullah Khan, Ram Prasad Bismil, Roshan Singh, Rajendra Lahiri were hanged at that time. They caught in the hand of police or the British government. But Chandrasekhar Azad managed to escape at that time. Okay, now the next point is there, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The next point is there. Okay, we'll see this. Bhagat Singh, we can see here the photograph of Bhagat Singh. Okay, the greatest leader is there. The young men influenced by socialist ideas decided to set up a nationwide revolutionary organization. Prominent among them were Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev, etc. All these revolutionaries were secular in these thoughts. In 1928, in the meeting held at Firoz Shah Kotla ground in Delhi, these young men established the organization called Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The objectives behind the establishment of this organization was to free India from British exploitation. It also wanted to overthrow the unjust socio-economic system which exploited the farmers and workers. Bhagat Singh gave importance to creation of a society based on social justice and equality. The work of gathering arms and execution of programs was entrusted to a separate wing of organization, and this wing was called Hindustan Socialist Republican Army. and Chandrasekhar Azad was the chief of this wing. Okay, now here the photograph we can see Rajguru and Sukhdev. Okay, well-known personalities are there. And these members of the organization carried out revolutionary activities. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru fired bullets and killed an officer named Saunders in order to avenge or revenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. The government had introduced two bills in the Central Legislative Assembly, curtailing civil rights. To protest it, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly. The British government immediately raided the centers of Hindustan Socialist Republican Army. Through it, the police also obtained clues related to the killing of Saunders. The government started arresting the revolutionaries. They were tried under the charge of sedition. On 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were hanged in the Lahore jail. But till the end, Chandrasekhar Azad did not fall into the hands of the police. Later, he died in an encounter with police at Alfred Park in Allahabad. Okay, now the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, now especially the Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev, they are in the Hindustan Association Republican Social. Influenced by socialist ideas, they founded the organization specially. They were secular in their thoughts. Its objectives was to free India from British exploitation. Very important thing. Then to overthrow the unjust socio-economic system which exploited farmers and workers especially. The creation of society based on social justice and equality. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev were hanged in Lahore jail on 23rd March 1931. But Chandrasekhar Azad was not caught in the hands of police, but he died in an encounter with the police at Alfred Park in Allahabad. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru Association of Saunders to avenge or revenge death of Lala Lajpat Rai. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt exploded bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly to protest against a bill which curtailed civil rights. Okay, now Chandrasekhar Azad was the headed of the organization, gathered arms and executed the planned activities. Okay, now another point is there. The next point is there, that is the attack on Chitgaon Armory. You can see the photograph of Surya Sen. We'll see the information about Surya Sen. Surya Sen was the chief of the revolutionary group at Chitgaon in Bengal. Okay, he had gathered around him revolutionaries like Anand Singh, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta, Pritilata Vaddedar. With their assistance, Surya Sen drew up a plan to attack the armory at Chitgaon. As per the plan, on 18th April 1930, the revolutionaries seized arms from the two armories in Chitgaon. The telephone and telegraph lines were broken, and this succeeded in paralyzing the communication system of British government. After that, they gave a thrilling fight to the British Army. On 16 February 1933, Surya Sen and some of the associates were captured by the police. Surya Sen and his 12 associates were given death punishment. Kalpana Datta was sentenced to life imprisonment. Pritilata Vaddedar killed herself without falling into the hands of the police. Now you can see these two, the greatest women, that is the Kalpana Datta and Pritilata Vaddedar. Okay, the greatest revolutionaries there. Due to the uprising in Chitgaon, the revolutionary movement gained pace. Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary. These two school girls were killed in the district judge. Where as a young girl, Bina Das shot dead the governor during the convocation ceremony of Calcutta University. Sardar Udham Singh killed Dyer, the officer responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In London in 1940, the freedom struggle of India revolutionary movement made an important contribution. These revolutionaries displayed daring and determination while fighting against the British rule. The love for the nation and attitude of sacrifice was just incomparable. Their sacrifice proved to be an inspiration to the all Indians. Okay, now Chitgaon Armory, we have seen the Surya Sen, the chief of the revolutionary group at Chitgaon in Bengal. Then they gathered revolutionaries the plan to attack on Armory Chitgaon. Pritilata Vadidar, Anand Singh, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta, they raided to Armory in Chitgaon on 18th April 1930 and seized the arms. First of all, they paralyzed the communication system by breaking the telephone and telegraph lines, then gave thrilling fight to the British army. Surya Sen and his 12 associates were given death in punishment. Then Kalpana Datta was given life imprisonment, but Pritilta Vadidar killed herself. They are the inspired by Chitgaon Armory. The school girls killed the district judge. Then Bina Das shot dead the governor during the convocation ceremony of Kolkata University. Bina Das, the girl is there. Then Sardar Udham Singh killed Dyer in London. The officer responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre, very dangerous massacre was there, Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, we have seen this in the last lesson. Now exercise is given here. Just we have to complete this homework in the homework notebook. Okay, I think so you can understand this lesson very well. Okay, now we will start the another lesson in the next video, that is the struggle for equality is there. Okay, I think so you can